In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram banned your phone number. So if your phone number has been banned on Telegram, it means that Telegram has restricted your account due to a violation of their terms of service, such as spamming, sharing illegal content, or any other prohibited activities. So the first step in order to recover your account is to understand why you were banned in the first place. So here are some of the common reasons: sending spam messages, or joining too many groups/channels in a short amount of time period, or being reported by other users for inappropriate behavior, or using third-party apps that violate Telegram's policies, and of course, sharing explicit or copyrighted content. So please go ahead and check the ban notification to see what it was all about. Make sure to go ahead and review it, and make sure you understand why exactly you were banned in the first place. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to try to appeal the ban. Now, to do this, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to the top left and select on these three bars, then go ahead and select on settings right over here. Once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down a little bit more. And then from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this option that does say ask a question. Then go ahead and select on ask a volunteer. And then basically from here, you guys will be able to go ahead and appeal. Or if anything, you guys could email Telegram at abuse@telegram.org. And basically you will need to provide your banned phone number, explain the situation politely, and request a review. What you guys could also do on another Telegram account is to actually contact Telegram's ban appeal bot. So what you would need to do is you need to go to the search bar right over here. And this time you want to go ahead and look for spam bot, just like so. Then go ahead and press on that, and basically this is going to allow you to appeal your ban. So you will need to go ahead and explain the situation to them, and basically they will walk you through the instructions to recover your account, or if it's even possible to recover it. And the next thing that you guys could do is to create a new account with a different phone number. So if the ban is permanent or you don't want to wait for an appeal, log out of the account that you've been banned and then get a new phone number, either through a new SIM card or a virtual number from services like Google Voice, Text Now, or Burner. Then sign up for a new Telegram account using the new number. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.